Hi friends, welcome to Sarah Arts. Today I'm showing you a simple sunflower which can be used for your rubber bands or for whatever decoration purpose you want, or for cards or for chocolate boxes or what. It's a very simple and fast to be made. Now this is a stencil. This has 7 petals ka stencil this is. Can you see this? Yeah. So this is stencil. You need 3 pieces in the foam. You can take yellow or you can take ivory or white foam and color them yellow. Now this is the crayon color and I've already done the yellow color. Everybody knows about it, but if you are new, so I'll just tell you, if you have taken white color or ivory color, you just have to take the crayon oil pastel and just have to rub it like this way randomly. That's it. Nothing else you have to do it. And if you're taking yellow, you don't have to color only. Now what you have to do, you have to cut 3 pieces in this manner. After 3 pieces you have cut, you have to emboss this. You don't need iron for this. You just have to twist them like this way. Can you see this? All you have to is just make a fan, hold it here firmly and just twist this. Twist nicely so that you get nice point and just leave it. Don't open or don't do anything. Just leave it. So continue doing this for all the petals. I'll do it one more. Hold it like this way. We need to do all of them right now. So I'll just show you how you do this further also. Then I've got here, this is 1 centimeter by 15 centimeter I've taken. This is 1 centimeter by 15 centimeter, and you just have to give a straight thin cut, as thin you can make that way, straight thin cut. You have to just give the cut like this way. Whole strip you need to cut, friends. So this is the way you're going to cut this strip. So my 2 petals are already ready. This is third one what I'm getting ready. And now for the calyx. Now for the calyx I have taken, this is 7 by 7. I have taken this 7 by 7. You just need to fold this and give a one more fold over here. It's like a square. And you just have to give a leaf cut. Got this? And now just give from the side cut. And then twist with your hand. You can add little brown or maroon color to give a shade if you want, or a little bit of dark green, brown, maroon, dark green. You can give the shades and you can give little bit shading to it. So almost your calyx is ready. I have shown you how you make this ready, and your 3 petals for this have to be get ready, and I'll show you how you emboss this with the candles. And now what I have done is, can you see this powder? This is not powder. I had a little bit of foam yellow left over. I've just cut them into fine, small, tiny pieces, and I made a powder type. No, by cutting this. This is a foam only. It's already there on my YouTube channel. how you make leftover filler with Fumé. So you can have this video. Now for this what I need is embossing tool, I need Fevikwik, and I need candle. So I'll just show you now. Now this is already done. I'll show you how you do the candle work, how you emboss this with candle. Now before I show you this candle work, I'll complete this also, because this also we need to heat with candle. So I'll just make a round quickly. This is the wire, 18 number wire. You just wrap it around the wire completely. Okay, so let's start. Now I've already done this rolling. Can you see this? So now I'll heat this. You need to keep it a little bit high, not too near the flame, it will get burned. See, let's still do a little more. I'll just take this part is coming out. Can you see how it looks? Now I'll show you how you emboss this. Now you have to take your embossing, just slightly heat up this, turn back side, and just press this. I forgot to do this three part. I'll just do this three part and then I'll do the embossing. Don't keep it for a long time, it will get black. Now what you have to do is just take a little bit up this part and just twist this so it will remain as it is. It won't come out. And this will remain as it is. Even for the same thing for the calyx you can do. So your calyx, your three pieces, and your this is ready, right? Now what I need is I need Fevikwik. Now we start assembling the flower. You can use your glue gun, but I would prefer using Fevikwik. So I'm just pouring a little bit Fevikwik over here on my plate. I'm just going to take little Fevikwik and I'm going to or you can just directly dip it a little bit, on the sides little. You see? All the sides, all only one, all the outer side, not the center. You just need some places, not all the places, just to show this is a Poland. Just showing some places the Polands are there. So let it look natural. Now we will start arranging. See how cool it looks, friends. This looks beautiful for rubber bands. And the last goes your calyx. I have kept the calyx a little big because I'm using it for my rubber band. So and I'm going to cut the wire and I'm going to arrange it on the rubber band. So it shows a little bit green color also. It looks very nice. And I hope you like this flower. Thank you.